In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wii Remote to Wii U. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Pairing up a Wii Remote to a Wii U console is extremely simple. Both are compatible and you will be able to use them natively. So all that you have to do is first power on the Wii U console, select your profile, and when you are on the main menu, you will be able to press the home button on the Wii U gamepad and choose controller settings at the top right. In there, you can choose the option to pair a new controller. So now on the actual Wii mode, all that you have to do is press the sync or synchronize button. It is going to be the red button, usually at the back when you take off the battery cover, but it could be elsewhere depending on your specific model. Just make sure that you press the sync button. Once you press and hold this, you will be able to press OK on the Wii U gamepad. It should automatically look out for any controllers that are ready to pair, and with this done, after you press the sync button, it will be detected and you will be good to go. If it is not recognizing the Wii remote, what you can try to do is take out the batteries, power it back on again, and follow the same steps. You need to place it close, and if it still refuses to connect, I would recommend trying to use a different Wii remote because sometimes they can be faulty and have trouble connecting to it. But as long as you followed these steps, you should be able to get them both synced up together. Make sure that you hold the synchronize button until you see some sort of LED indicator and they are in close proximity like I mentioned. You can also try pressing any sync button on the Wii U if you see it. When you press the sync button on the Wii U, a message should pop up on the screen, and at that point, you just have to do the steps like I mentioned by pressing the synchronize button on the Wii remote. So press them both and you will be good to go to use them both together. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Wii Remote to Wii U. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.